How long will remain the prestige of a nation when decline sets in? How long will rise the billowing smoke from the fading lamp? The very canopy of the Sultanate has been torn to smithereens. How long will the fragments drift in the sky? Morocco has fallen. Iran too now needs to be seen. How long the tottering, ailing Turk survives. Fast surges the flood of ill omen from the Balkans. How long will it be warded off by desperate cries of the oppressed? Spectators sauntering about watch this gory dance of death. How long will the weak be martyred to keep the show going? They revel in hearing the cries of the oppressed. How long will the melancholy in the infirm orphan's voice keep repeating? Can someone ask, O ye dawns of culture, how long this tyranny, how long this incitement, how long these inciting storms of oppression, how long the vicarious pleasures at the morning? We know you want to display your military might, but for how long will it be at our cost? If you yearn to see the spouting fount of blood, how long do we bear fresh wounds to assuage your pride? Indeed, you want stuff to augment your revelry. How long should we recount the anguish of our hearts? Know we that you have a grouse against the sky for the drought? How long do we bleed to water your fields? You need glitter to adorn the bride of fortune. How long will our wealth be plundered to be used as gold dust? How long will you take vengeance for the victory of Ayyubi? How long will you show us spectacles of the Crusades, taking us to be faint footprints of the path? How long in this manner will you erase our trace? Decline of the Ottomans is the decline of the Sharia and Millat. How long, dear, the concern merely for kin, wealth, status and ties? By God, do you comprehend what these preparations portend? How long, if not for now, will it take you to realize this puzzle? Should the votaries of the Kaaba be gone, how long then will remain the sanctity of the holy sites? When the bells of the cathedral will echo through the land, how long then will songs of Tawheed and the melodious Adhan survive? Pages of the legacy of Islam are being scattered. How long will blow these tumultuous winds of idolatry? Perchance these gusts of idolatry affect the precincts of the haram. How long will the undaunted dust of disbelief continue its pranks when the sight of the hunter is trained on the holy lands? How long then will survive the dwellers of the haram? Alas, even after having migrated, Shibli, you have no place to go. How long now will peace and security in Syria, Najd and Kairouan remain?